Hello, I'm East Knox School Superintendent Steve Arkin. How is it you went out and spent all this money on the iPads? Well, the fact of the matter is it's two different pots of money. We have an operating levy, which is why we're on the ballot this fall. That pays for salaries and benefits, day-to-day operations of the school district. And then you have a separate pot of money called a permanent improvement fund. Now, the permanent improvement fund dollars are used for things like building buildings, repairing buildings, copiers, buying buses, and technology. And those two pots of money can't be mixed together. And by law, you cannot take money from the one account and use it in the other. And so that's why there are two different pots of money. And the voters of East Knox years ago had approved a continuing permanent improvement levy that was bringing in dollars that we're able to use for the benefit of our students with this iPad development. Now, one of the reasons we've gone to iPads is we're trying to get our kids prepared for when they leave school and go out in the marketplace. And it's an additional training tool for us. It's not meant to replace teachers. It's to get students beyond the traditional learning environment and get them thinking in different ways and being able to use a whole world of technology that's available and information that's available to them far beyond the classroom walls. Colleges aren't shying away from online courses and learning. They're embracing it, and they're forcing students to do it. And we need to have our students prepared to meet those challenges when they go off to college, when they go off to their technical schools, when they go out to just straight out of school and go into the job market. There's on-the-job training that'll be required there, and these are the kind of skills they're going to need. We're also going to use these for online assessments, online testing. Those assessments are going to help us evaluate how our students, where they are currently, and what their needs are, and it's going to allow us to be more efficient in our instructional time. We have, the feds and the state are always piling on more and more requirements, but we don't make the day longer, and we don't take anything away. So one of the things the iPads are going to do for us or help us be more efficient with our time, and it really takes the classroom away from just a traditional classroom environment, say of the high school, the junior, senior high, of a 7:30 to 2:15 day. It expands it well into the all hours and on weekends where our kids have more availability and the devices, the technology they need to make that education more of a well-rounded experience for them. But that's what it takes to survive in this world and what we're doing for our kids, because most importantly, this isn't about me, it's not about the board, it's about our children, it's about this community. I'm very hopeful for our kids, for our community, for our staff, and for the passage of this levy. It's a critical moment in time for East Knox local schools. I think we're on just the cusp of greatness here. I see us passing this levy in November and be able to continue doing good things for our kids.